So this is Powys' Detached youth work team supporting 16 to 25-year-olds across a range of issues and challenges in transition into adulthood here in Powys.
The issue of youth homelessness is massive. I think it's hidden homelessness, so people, unless they're working with it, wouldn't necessarily see it. A lot of my young people that I work with are homeless, so I do a lot of the work around housing, getting them set up in tenancies, helping to manage and sustain the tenancies.
The young people we work with are usually missed by other services. So when they get referred into us, we almost give them an opportunity to strive and be the person that they're aiming to be.
They've helped me with my housing. They also helped me with my children. They helped me get a job, build my confidence, and they helped me just sort of like sustain a stable life. These are the only people who's ever guided me, and I wouldn't have had the knowledge that I do now without them.